Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to add a description to your YouTube channel. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Select the Google account you want to use. If you are signing in for the first time, you may be asked to enter your email address, enter your password and click next. You are signed in to your YouTube account. Now click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to your channel dashboard page. Now in the left sidebar, click on Customization option. Scroll down to Description section. Click on the empty field and enter your description. We have already written a description in a Notepad document. We will just copy and paste it here. Now click on the Publish button in the top right corner of the page to save the changes. That's it. Changes have been saved. Now go to the channel page to view the changes. As you can see, description has been added to our YouTube channel. This is how you can add a description to your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.